The minimalist mindset for maximum freedom. Welcome to Soul Fuel. Ever feel like your own stuff has taken you hostage? That was me a couple of years ago, tripping over boxes of, someday, gadgets while the balance on my credit card crept higher every month. One night I found myself hunting for a tiny battery charger like it was buried treasure, and I thought, I'm spending more time managing my things than living my life. One mindset flip later, my shelves are empty, my bank account's happier, and my days feel twice as long. Stay with me and I'll walk you through the exact steps. Section 1. See the weight. Think of clutter as the quiet roommate who never pays rent but always leaves a mess. I finally met mine the afternoon I spent 45 minutes digging through cords, cracked phone cases, and unopened coupons just to find a charger. By the time I surfaced, my kid's nap was over and so was my peaceful window of work. That's when the math hit me. Every extra object is a tiny time theft. 10 seconds here, 5 minutes there, pretty soon the day is gone and you're left holding a receipt for a life you didn't sign up for. Section 2. The one-touch rule. The game changer became a habit so simple it almost felt dumb. Whatever lands in my hand gets its fate decided immediately. Mail? Open, file, or toss, no purgatory pile. Socks? On feet, in hamper, or back in drawer. I started treating chores like speed dating. Decide fast, move on. Result? My nightly, where did the living room go? Cleanup shrank from an hour to 10 minutes, and I reclaimed my mornings from chaos. Section 3. Buy the need. Rent the want I used to be the king of, just in case. Just in case I start camping, just in case I host brunch, just in case 2008 comes back and canned goods become currency. Finally I asked myself a scary question. If Amazon vanished tomorrow, would I walk into a store and pay cash for this thing? If the answer's no, it stays on the shelf. For once in a blue moon once, I borrow, tool library for drills, Kindle Unlimited for books, friends' garages for camping gear. I tallied the savings last year, $3,000 I didn't spend on stuff I used twice. That's a vacation, funded by not dragging extra junk into my house. Section 4. Calendar declutter. Turns out physical clutter has a cousin, calendar clutter. I had book club, 2 volunteer boards, and a side hustle that paid in exposure. I wrote every recurring event on a sticky note, spread them on the table like playing cards, and nixed anything that didn't light me up. Saying no freed 8 hours a week. 8. That's a whole extra workday I now spend on slow coffee and playground swings. Turns out time is just another possession. You can hoard it or you can enjoy it. Section 5. The freedom loop. Here's the magic. Once stuff and obligations shrink, they stop asking for your attention. Less to clean means more downtime. More downtime means less stress shopping. Less stress shopping means more money. More money means no more Sunday night credit card dread. Each small win greases the next one, and soon you're surfing a wave instead of paddling upstream. Call to action. Ready to test drive this? Pick one drawer, set a 10-minute timer, and use the one-touch rule. When you're done, comment the weirdest item you unearth. My record is 4 spare garlic presses. And if you'd like weekly mini missions to keep the momentum going, tap subscribe. I'm still walking this path. The view's better with company. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Freedom isn't a yacht or a fat 401k. It's the gap between what you have to do and what you actually want to do. Shrink the excess and that gap narrows until one day you wake up and, plot twist, your real life is already happening. That's the minimalist mindset. Subtract what drains you, keep what delights you, and watch freedom fill the space.